Think Hostinger is cheap? Watch this before your first year ends. 005 Promo rate explained. $1.99 per month advertised first year. But that $1.99 only covers hosting. Domains and add-ons add up fast. First year breakdown. Hosting $23.88. Domain free. Email $23.88. Total about $48. 025. Look at the actual invoice. Extra taxes and fees can appear. Before renewal, your price jumps. Renewals often triple the monthly rate. 035. Renewal reality. A typical renewal year can cost $100 to $140. Compare side by side. Year 1 versus Year 2 costs visualized for quick clarity. Screenshot time. Hostinger dashboard showing upcoming renewal date and invoice details. Quick tip. Disable auto-renew, review add-ons, and calendar a renewal reminder today. Final comparison. Many alternatives include a free domain and steadier renewal pricing. 055. Don't wait. Explore alternatives now to protect your budget.